Are people being a little too upbeat about the India story? Absolutely, because the India story has some weak links to it that right now are being covered up by the strength of growth. But I think that, it's 3 steps forward, 2 steps back. There will be disappointments. It will not be the end of the world. It is a story that's moving in the right direction. If you look at Zomato now, the story you would tell about the company is not so much of a delivery company anymore. It's almost like a last mile company, which is in India, that last mile is torture. I value companies because I'm fascinated by them. I don't care if I get them wrong. I'm fascinated by them because they're changing. So there are things that Zomato has done that I look and say, that's really good, and things where I have questions. And that's the basis for valuation. Does it mean I'll get it right? I mean, the reality of the valuation is you're right for a very brief moment of time. Then you're going to be wrong again if you measure right and wrong based on the price being different from value. Healthcare has the potential for changing the lives of tens of millions of Indians, and I'm interested in companies that are starting up all over that space. I mean, none of them have had the profile of a Paytm or Zomato because it's tougher to build a healthcare business than it is to build an app-driven delivery business. But I'm keeping my eyes open for the next exciting young company. I want to see how Indian markets are receptive to a business that requires more infrastructure investment and doesn't deliver stuff as quickly as the app-driven business.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits. And then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.